Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm gonna make an omelet for you guys. I'm gonna make an homemade omelet, so stick around and watch this video. If you're having problem how to make an omelet, your omelets keep on scrambling, well, stick around and watch this video. First, I'm gonna start by breaking the eggs. And I'm gonna put them into a separate bowl just to ensure that there are no spoiled eggs. And then again, you want to ensure that there are no shells in the eggs. And then now I'm going to add them into my big bowl. I'm going to go ahead and use my electrical mixer and whisk for about 5 minutes to combine the egg white and the egg yolks together. When you finish whisking, you want to see no egg white and no egg yolk, everything combined. You can also go ahead and use just a regular hand whisk if you don't have an electrical mixer. It doesn't change anything, it just makes the process kind of longer, but it can work. And what I did, I incorporate some air into the eggs, and this is what's gonna make it fluffy and nice. You can go ahead and use any vegetable of your choice, but I'm going to use green onions and sweet pepper or bell pepper, the red one, and I'm also gonna use breakfast sausages, chicken breakfast sausages. And I also mince them. I also chop them up in tiny bits. I'm also gonna add some triple cheddar cheese to it, Kraft. You can also go ahead and use whatever cheese you like, whatever brand. It's your thing, just use whatever you like. Kraft triple cheddar is my favorite. I'm also going to use salt and pepper, sea salt, and some ground pepper. You can also add whatever you want to it. You're gonna eat it, use whatever you like, but I'm just showing you my way, how I do it without it getting scrambled or just not looking like a omelet when you're done. So I'm gonna turn the heat on medium, and if you got numbers on your stove, you want to put it at number 4. So if it's 1 to 9, you want to put it at number 4. You don't want it too low and you don't want it too high, you want it medium. So now I'm going to go in and add 1 tablespoon of butter. And I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. And this oil I'm using is canola oil. And you also want to use a non-stick pan, because or else the omelet is going to stick and it's not going to flip. So you always want to use a non-stick pan. It's gonna get foamy. As soon as it gets foamy, that is when you're gonna add your eggs. See, it's starting to make some foam on top. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the eggs. And what you're gonna do now, after adding the eggs, you're just gonna leave it. Don't trouble it until you see the sides are changing color, are hardening up. It's gonna get hardened. So don't trouble it until you see that. Now that you have seen the sides are getting hardened, I'm gonna go ahead and add the sausages. Adding the green onion and the sweet pepper. And I'm also gonna add the cheese. I'm gonna add some black pepper or ground pepper. Just gonna add a pinch of it. Sausage is already salt, so I'm gonna just put half teaspoon of salt on top. I'm also gonna add some parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the flip. See, a beautiful golden color and a very nice flavor bursting out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and flip it on the other side. Oh my, beautiful, 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 beautiful. So beautiful. And there you have it, my omelette. So if you keep on having problem on making omelette, they keep on, when you flip them, they're not coming out good, they're too soft, just follow my recipe and share this with an omelette lover, a person you know been having problem making omelets and they're just not coming out right. Share this video to them. If the person loves omelets, share, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed, and like this video if you like this video. Look at this. And this only take at least 10 to 15 minutes. And now I'm gonna just go ahead and turn the heat off because this is finished, guys. Simple and easy. And as I said before, you can go ahead and use whatever vegetables, whatever you want to add into the omelette. If you just want to use cheese, add cheese, but just stick with the procedure and I use a non-stick pan. This is the finished product, guys. Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful omelette. Smelling so good. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Come on, come on. Look at this. Look at this. Bye guys. Bye.